Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face: fear of public speaking. This problem can be incredibly daunting for many people, causing anxiety, nervousness, and a whole lot of stress. Whether it's speaking in front of a large audience or even in a small group setting, the fear of public speaking can be a major roadblock in both personal and professional growth. Now, let's dive into the solution for overcoming this fear of public speaking. The key solution lies in preparation and practice. By thoroughly preparing your content and practicing your speech multiple times, you can build confidence and familiarity with the material. This will help alleviate some of the anxiety and nerves associated with public speaking. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Additionally, another effective solution is to focus on your breathing and utilize relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises can help calm your nerves and center your focus before a speaking engagement. By incorporating mindfulness practices and relaxation techniques, you can better manage your anxiety and improve your overall speaking performance. In summary, overcoming the fear of public speaking requires preparation, practice, and relaxation techniques. By combining these strategies, you can boost your confidence, manage your anxiety, and deliver a successful speech. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment with your favorite public speaking tip. Remember, practice makes perfect, even when it comes to public speaking.